the video, but I want to bring you a special message, and it has to do with Hero Soap Company. Hero Soap supports our military, our homeless veterans, and the Gary Sinise Foundation. For every bar you purchase, they also send a bar overseas to our military. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to HeroSoapCompany.com, choose your favorite scent. You can also buy the t-shirts and hats. And when you go to the discount, when you go to checkout, put in the discount code BADGE. And that's in reference to badge. Everybody needs one. And hear what he has to say about it.
You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay-forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing it. So I'd like to thank Saucy very much and all her subs and viewers and everything. Thank you very much.
Well, everyone, I'm not sure if you can see me too well because it is like almost 3 a.m. in the morning and it's freezing cold out here. But I have to make an announcement. Guess what? 2 weeks, I'm going home. Unfortunately, they tied up 4 other boats, so other cooks need to work. So they're sending me home so they can give those cooks at least 28 days. So I'll be off for at least 28 days. And I'll figure out what I'm going to do on my time off. I have no idea. I'm so used to working. Well, I know I got to winterize my camper at least while I'm home. Alright, anyways, I got to watch the next part. I dyed my hair. You can't see it right now because I'm freezing my ass off while I'm doing this. But I do have some hot coffee. Alright, so watch this next one. You're going to die laughing. I'm still laughing about it. Because it has to do with my hair. You're going to love it. Alright, see you soon. Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Yep, I don't have my glasses on for a reason. So you're all blurry right now. Alright, you see this white shit? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you what I do on the towboat. How I'm going to get rid of this white shit. Now, so all that gray matter coming out of my head, I don't like it. Look how much it's grown since I've been out here on the boat. No, so because I just had the hair done before I came out here, and I'm going on my 3rd month on here. So I'm going to show you what I do. So let me get this set up. It's not going to be a really good setup due to the fact because I don't have any counter space over here. No, so I'm going to put it on this little mini tripod, and I'm going to stick it in a paper towel holder, and let's see if that works. Or the paper towel, you know, and hopefully with all the shaking and rattling and rolling, that the camera don't go whoop and fall. We're going to test this theory out. Alright people, be right back. Well, I got the hair dye in. Have you ever done the video and I was showing you how I put it on and everything. Guess what I forgot to do? Hit that record button. I was dancing around and everything else. So, well, I just got done saying, I can't wait back down to tell you how it looks right now. And it's, because I'm not watching the camera. God. Anyways, I got 25 minutes. I got 20 to 25 minutes. I will have it done. Big ass blooper. I can't redo this. I'm laughing so hard. Okay, well, at least I got it on. But and I was saying, all you hairdressers out there, No, I did not take it all the way to the end. Unfortunately, some ends did get it. But this is how I do it. So if I've done something wrong, it's not to your liking, I'm sorry. I'm not a hairdresser. But this usually works for me. I may miss a couple spots, but hey, it's better than being pure white. Or I should say gray. Whatever you want to call it. It's that nasty looking color. Anyways, so I'm going to be... I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing. Anyway. Freaking record button. Alright. I'll see you guys. I'll show you what it looks like before I jump in the shower. And I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Mind you, I do not use a hair dryer, so it will be wet. It's bad enough this water is like shit. So that I don't need anything else to damage my hair more than what I'm doing now. So I got some good conditioner. We'll see how it all works. I may have to order some leave-in stuff. Now, if anybody can recommend good leave-in conditioner that doesn't make my hair look oily, so like I haven't washed it in days, please leave me a comment down below and tell me what the brand is, so I can find it on Amazon, have it shipped, and then get it so I can have it here on this boat. So, without further ado, whatever you want to say, I'll be back in a few minutes to you and about 20 minutes for me. Be right back. And hopefully I hit record. I forgot to add, so you guys can see what brand I use. And it comes with, oh, I already threw it out. It comes with this little oil thing that goes in there, and yeah, I threw the other tube out too, and of course I threw out the mixing bottle. Hey, it was all done on video. Well, non-video. But yeah, this is what I use. It's a I can't read what color it says. Pomegranate nuts. So I'm gonna be fruity looking. Alright, see you in a minute. As you see, it's starting to take effect. I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna look younger. Shut up, badge. Shut up, BlindViews. I am young. Alright, especially you, Unibasis. Alright, be back. Okay, it's about time to go into the shower. I wanted to show you how it all looks. See? Let's show you how it all looks. Here we go. Ah, look at that color. It's already popping out. It's gonna look good. Hey, guess what? I hit the record button. Be back in a few. Oh, wait. Y'all saw me toss those gloves. I went and got some gloves from the Cali. These are much better. I gotta use them in the shower. Be back. Okay, we're all getting this first look together. Alright? Hold on, I gotta take at least some of this water out. I ain't got my glasses on, so I hope you all like it. Missed the hook. Right. Wow. It looking good. Got that gray. Gray? What gray? I'm not old. I'm just like fine wine. I age gracefully. Shush up a few of you people. Oh yeah. people. I think it did an awesome job. No, I am not going to beauty school. So don't any of you... Wait a minute, did I miss a spot here, or is that just glare? Hold on, let's get the glasses on. Huh? Oh, yeah, wait a minute. I did. I missed a little spot right there. Hold on. I did. Okay, well, I'm going to have that little strip come out. Oh, well, one little spot. It's not so bad after all. Oh, I'm here too. Okay, I keep forgetting my hair grows outwards here. Why? I don't know. No, but it's receding everywhere else. It sucks getting old. No, it's things we gotta do to also look beautiful. Well, I'm not looking beautiful for anybody else. I just don't like to see my hair gray. So this ain't for anybody but myself, and that's what counts, right? Any of you ladies understand that? We do it for ourselves. Make ourselves feel good. Alright, well, that's how I get my hair. Still looks like shit though. I'll pick it up. I'm done. Okay, people. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for laughing with me. If you're new to my channel, yep, I tell you everybody all the time, I'm lots of fun. I screw up a lot, but that's what makes my videos fun. It's real. If you're new to my channel and you want to watch more, click on that little subscription button down below here. Click on that little bell so you get more notifications. Leave me a comment and I will respond. For all my other subscribers that's been with me, and even some of the new ones that just recently joined, I thank you so much for supporting my channel. You are awesome, you're well loved, and I adore you all. So with that said, I'll see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye.